Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul learning series by wavestrategy.com. And let us look at the market with a different perspective, combining Elliott wave along with open interest analysis and seeing where is the support, where is the resistance, what will change the trend and things like that. So let me share across my screen here with you all and let us look at this simple method of seeing the market in a different way. So अगर आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर मैंने ओपन इंटरेस्ट एनालिसिस किया है जहां पर हम देख पा रहे हैं कि ओवरऑल increase in open interest kahan ho raha hai and what is the market suggesting right now. So let me just explain it to you in a very quick way. The screen that you see here, this is the left hand side is the call open interest, the right hand side are the put open interest. We can see the highest call open interest is happening around this area of 18,300 with a rise in the open interest, and market is very near around to that zone. Still the call open interest is increasing. Okay. At the other hand, there is not much change in the put side, which means that Nifty is going to find resistance around 18,300 to 18,350 zone. As of now, that is how it's looking like. The support on the downside is at 18,000, but change in OI nahi hai. 18,000 पे भी ज़्यादा change in OI nahi hai, which is a very tricky aspect क्योंकि 18,000 अगर बहुत ही important support होता, we should have started seeing so far and rise in 18,000 का writing by put writers, but that is not happening. On the other hand, there are increase in the writing at the higher level, which means that Nifty has some serious hurdle to cross that 18,500 mark. Around that area, it seems that it's not going to be an easy task for Nifty to cross that 18,400, 18,500. That is what it looks like. Along with that, I have plotted some of an Elliott wave, or I would say Neo wave counts here. From this point onwards, if you consider the entire up move is possibly in the form of diametric pattern, जो 7 lakhs का होता है. So we have wave A, wave B, wave C on the upside, D here. This is wave E possibly completing here. Maybe let's just see that if 18,150 breaks, then that would be the indication. नहीं तो it will resume the trend. Then we can have wave F on the downside and then again a push on the upside in the form of wave G. So I think overall there should be a consolidation or a sideways action that we can witness around that 18,000 zone to 18,500 over next few days. That is how it is looking like right now. And I think selling option is a better strategy to make money out of this non-trending market which is drifting higher. Lekin definitely there are hurdles on the upside. Let's see if Nifty can cross that hurdle of 18,350 to resume that trend, or it manages to sustain below that level. On the downside, 18,100 to 18,150 is the support zone, because that is what is the OI is indicating, but 18,000 is not going to act as a major support as of now कि वहां पर OI build-up नहीं हुआ है. So let's see how this pans out. लेकिन this way, by combining the wave theory along with open interest analysis, you can make up your mind that what is happening with the market and the overall development. That's how you have to combine things together and trade proficiently using options. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. If you can see my chart here, I've shown on the right hand side. अभी तक आपने देखा होगा volumes को आप हमेशा नीचे की ओर देखते हो, but for the first time you are seeing that the volumes are shown on the right hand side of the prices. This is known as the profile. यहाँ पर जो आप right hand side देख रहे हो, this is the profile. Volume profile is what we call it, and this represents what is happening at that specific price point. How is market behaving? तो यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे तो 17,250 जब था निफ्टी, वहां पर बहुत एक्यूमुलेशन हुआ था, मे बी पास डेटा के कारण. एंड यहाँ पर तो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल विच वी कैन से वॉल्यूम पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल VPOC, जहां पर ह्यूज एक्यूमुलेशन हैपेंड. Suppose that there was not much of the volume that was seen except in the zone of 17,800 17,900 के आसपास. So this was the zone where the support is on Nifty as of now. That is what we can make out. Lekin interestingly, we can see that the volumes that is happening now in this consolidation zone is much higher than the volume that was happening at 17,820 level. In fact, this volume is now reaching towards the high that was seen near the zone of 17,250. Now, this is a very interesting development that we can see on the volume profile. and we can clearly make out that something is going on at this point of time. I'm not saying this is a dumping of the stocks or indices, this is accumulation. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is something is for sure happening behind the scenes at this level, and you need to understand that very, very clearly. And this is a futures chart. The support as per this is nearly around 18,150, which I have been also tweeting since morning. At the rate Kalashish is my Twitter handle. And you can clearly see this is the area where we can see the lower volume node. So below that, if Nifty breaks, below that, if it breaks, then there is a possibility that it can go towards the next volume support, which is around 17,800, 17,850, that zone which I have marked here. So that remains the zone. लेकिन अगर ये protected रहता है और Nifty manages to break above the high value node on the upside around this area, then yes, the further up move can be witnessed. So we are now at a very important juncture, which is on the basis of volume profile. And let us see where the market is headed from here on, whether it breaks 18,150, which might be short-term bearish, but we need to see how it behaves from there. If it manages to break back above that 18,350, 18,360, then yes, the up move will be intact and will continue. So right now we are in a range where the volumes are huge, which means someone is dumping the stock and someone else is buying it. And that's a very interesting information that you can see, because this volume is, as I said, higher than the previous peak that we have seen, and it is nearing to the peak that we saw during the phase of accumulation. So is it those people who bought at 17,250 are now squaring off their positions? Let's see that. So next few days going to provide very vital information on looking at volume profile and how the markets are behaving. This is Ashish Kalyar, and I just wanted to share across this important information with you all. Do plot this chart and you will be amazed to see how interesting this can be. We are SEBI registered research analyst, and the registration number is mentioned. This is purely for educational perspective, and that's a disclaimer. And we or OCL does not carry any kind of liability for the same. That's where you can reach me out. My Twitter handle is @Kalashish. A lot of videos across on YouTube, and be a part of my mentorship program, which is starting in March and April first week. So you can contact us on 99204 22202. Thank you very much, guys, and it's fantastic to talk about volume profile. Do share this video and let everyone know about it. Thank you. Ashish Kyal signing off.